Hey, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to go over 3 different types of pickups, and I'm going to be comparing a single coil and a humbucker to a P90 to see how the P90 hails in comparison. A single coil pickup is known for its bright, clear, and crisp tonality and pairs really well with clean music. Not to say that you couldn't do distortion on a single coil pickup, and we will try that out today. A humbucker is a warmer pickup that has a smooth low end and a warm mid-range as well. This typically pairs well with distortion, or a lot of people who like to play distortion will use a humbucking pickup. And the P90 is somewhere kind of in between. It is technically a single coil, but it has more output than a single coil, but less output than a humbucker. Let's play all 3 today and see how each sound with clean and then with some distortion. If you like this kind of stuff, be sure to subscribe. Thank you. The first guitar that we're going to be taking a look at is my Fender Telecaster. Now, Telecasters have single coil pickups, and this one here has hand wound single coil pickups, giving it a real nice clarity to it. It sounds like this. Let's take a listen to the other pickup on this guitar. And even in the middle position, which is both pickups, sounds like this. That's a really well-rounded sound, really bright, has a lot of clarity, and would fit in most cases in most genres of music. Let's see how this guitar does if we add some distortion. Now, a quick heads up, distortion with single coil pickups, typically you hear a 60 cycle hum that will become apparent. And that's because most single coil pickups have an inherent hum. Take a listen to the other pickup. And of course, let's listen to how it sounds in between. And you can hear some of the noise actually goes away because it's an out of phase position. Okay, the next guitar that we're taking a look at is my Gibson SG, which is equipped with humbuckers. Now, these humbuckers are not as hot of output as some humbuckers can be out there, but just for the video and general purpose of the video, Callie, you coming to say hi? My dog came back to say hi. Just for the general purpose of this video, we're gonna see how these humbuckers compare to the single coil, starting out with a clean tone, which sounds like this. Really just a complete warm sound. Let's go to that other pickup. Sounds like this. That sound is a lot more muffled, not very much high end in that sound at all. Let's listen to in between the 2 pickups, and that is this tone. And you'll notice that these have no hum in them since they are humbuckers. They buck the hum. And that is one of the reasons I love humbucking pickups. And I'm also might be biased because I play mostly rock music, which I think sounds really good with humbucking pickups. Let's listen to how this sounds with some distortion. The other pickup. And of course, in between the 2 pickups. It's crazy the amount of different sounds that you can get just between pickups alone, not to mention that each guitar has its own kind of sonic thumbprint. It's got its own identity. That's really why you gotta buy all the guitars you can, or all the pickups you can, or all the pedals you can, because just think of all of the potential.
I'm Cliffhanger, and I advocate this message.
Let's move on to the last guitar in line, the guitar with the P90s. Okay, so this is my Gibson ES Les Paul. So this one does have a big open tone, but it also has has these P90 pickups. Now again, P90 pickups have more output than a single coil pickup, but less output than a humbucker. They're kind of somewhere in between on the tonality spectrum, if you will. These pickups have a very strong mid-range, especially paired with just the natural tonality of this guitar. Here is what this guitar sounds like with just the cleans. Now let's listen to the neck pickup. And of course, the position in between the two pickups, middle position. Now let's move to the distortion side of things and see how this guitar fares. Neck pickup. And in between the two. Now you can probably hear it's got some of that noise that comes through because again, it's those single coil pickups. There you have it. There are the 3 different pickup styles in this video. Let me know which one you like the most. I personally love the sound of humbuckers. Again, I think that they pair really well with rock and metal, but P90s too. P90s sound really great and I think are an underrated pickup that I don't hear as many people talking about. You know, I sell a lot of different guitars to a lot of different people, and I would say P90s are the ones that are at least talked about for some reason. So today I wanted to demystify the P90 and see how they compare, and I think that they could be a great rock and roll pickup. Let's just take some more listens to this. That's a good girl. Which pickup did you like the most? Humbucker. Yeah. She likes the humbucker.